Hello everyone and welcome to Power Pages Tips. My name is Nicholas Hayduk and this is tip number 323, Changing the Website Record. In our last tip, we looked at how you can change the website record in the Power Platform Admin Center. In this tip, we'll look at when you might want to do this. Before we dive into the details, don't forget to subscribe to the Engineered Code YouTube channel for our weekly tips, monthly community calls, and lots of other Power Pages and Power Platform content. Changing the website record is typically done very rarely. The most common time to do it is when deploying sites from development environments into higher environments like test or production. In these cases, you first need to install a Power Pages site in order to ensure that the solutions and Azure resources are set up. This process creates a new website row based on whichever template you selected. Then, you copy in your work from the development environment, creating a second website row. Finally, you switch the website record to point to the one you've copied in, so that the site reflects all of your work that you've copied in from the development environment. To keep things clean, we'll typically then delete the website and its associated rows that was created as part of the installation process. Another less common reason to switch the website record is if you have multiple different sites that you are working on, but for licensing reasons, you only want to have one active at a time. You can switch between the various website records as required to develop and test without having multiple sites consuming licenses. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found the Power Pages tip number 323 on changing the website record useful.